Today, we're tackling a common concern for many DoorDash users: how to get a refund on DoorDash. This issue might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, it's definitely manageable. First, let's dive into why you might need a refund. Reasons can range from receiving the wrong order, food quality not meeting expectations, to never receiving your order at all. Knowing the reason is crucial because it determines how you'll request your refund. The process of requesting a refund starts with the DoorDash app itself. Open the app, go to the Orders tab, and select the order you have an issue with. Here you'll find an option to report a problem with the order. DoorDash allows users to report various issues, each possibly qualifying for a different type of refund. When reporting your issue, be as detailed as possible. If you received the wrong items, specify what you ordered versus what was delivered. For quality issues, describe what was wrong with the food. And if your order never arrived, make sure to state that clearly. Providing photos can also help your case. After submitting your issue, DoorDash will review your request. This review process can vary in time, but usually you'll receive a response fairly quickly. In many cases, DoorDash offers credits for future orders, but if you prefer, you can insist on a refund to your original payment method. Be persistent but polite. It's also possible to contact DoorDash customer service directly via their help section in the app or through their website. This method can be particularly useful if your issue isn't adequately addressed through the automated process in the app. If you're unsatisfied with the resolution offered by DoorDash, you may consider disputing the charge with your credit card company as a last resort. However, it's important to use this option sparingly and only after attempting to resolve the issue directly with DoorDash. In conclusion, getting a refund on DoorDash involves knowing the reason for your refund, using the app to report the issue promptly, and being clear and detailed in your communication. Most issues can be resolved directly through the app, but customer service is always an option for unresolved concerns. Thank you for watching. Navigating customer service issues can be tricky, but with the right knowledge and approach, you can ensure you're compensated fairly for any mishaps. Remember to like and subscribe for more useful tips on managing your consumer rights and making the most out of your online services. Stay savvy.